Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by preparing the system and opening the display controls. First, make sure your PC is powered or plugged in so brightness changes persist. Once done, open Settings System Display or slide open the Action Center on the taskbar. You need to locate the brightness slider. If you prefer hardware, identify the keyboard function keys marked with a sun icon. Start with the slider for precise control, because software adjustments give consistent results across apps and power modes. Now adjust brightness precisely using the slider. Move it slowly to change by small amounts so you find a comfortable level. If the slider is unavailable, press and hold FN plus the sun icon keys to step the brightness up or down. This uses the graphics driver commands. Once you have a baseline, toggle night light or adaptive brightness to reduce blue light and let the system alter brightness automatically based on ambient light. Make sure to test with typical apps to validate comfort. Finish by saving your preferred settings in Power and Sleep or the Advanced Power plan so brightness stays consistent across sessions. Once done, confirm that adaptive settings and night light behave as expected and that apps don't override system brightness. If controls are missing or unresponsive, update your display and GPU drivers, reboot the PC, and check the manufacturer's support utility. One key troubleshooting tip: reinstall the display adapter driver from Device Manager and restart. This often restores missing brightness controls immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.